句真情真意问候，像动听的节奏，每一段美好时光满载愉快的理由，每一段美好时光每天也让我回味，就在我们的左右。
Hi guys, it's Steve from Disruptive Wealth Creation. Today we are talking about McDonald's, an 81-year-old company serving nearly 70 million customers in over 120 countries with over 1.7 million employees. Watch this video and find out what makes McDonald's a good investment. Stay to the end and find out how much it costs to run a McDonald's franchise. So what makes McDonald's a good investment? Watch this video clip and see how they make their money.
You're not in the burger business. You're in the real estate business. You don't build an empire off a 1.4% cut of a 15-cent hamburger. You build it by owning the land upon which that burger is cooked. What you ought to be doing is buying up plots of land, then turning around and leasing said plots to franchisees who, as a condition of their deal, should be permitted to lease from you and you alone. This will provide you with two things. One, a steady upfront revenue stream. Money flows in before the first stake is in the ground. Two, greater capital for expansion, which in turn fuels further land acquisition, which in turn fuels further expansion, and so on and so on. That's where the money is. And more than that, control. Control over the franchisee. Fail to uphold quality standards, you cancel their lease.
So let's start with what makes McDonald's an attractive company to invest in, and then dig deeper into their financials. Everybody knows McDonald's. They've been spending tons of money on advertising. They are a brand name. They have a presence worldwide. They have customer loyalty, and they are a powerhouse in the business community. For decades, they have captured the heart of the American people. Children love McDonald's because of Ronald McDonald. They get Happy Meals with toys, and McDonald's provides a fun and inviting environment that makes it the ultimate family destination at an affordable price. McDonald's have great campaigns like I'm Loving It, and they have former presidents, superstars, athletes, and others in their public adverts and commercials. In recent years, they've improved their beef ingredients due to a backlash in the community, and they have introduced salads, fish, and smoothies. Their Happy Meals also have more healthy options. However, the truth is, they do not claim to have the healthiest food, and nobody expects it. Everybody knows what to expect when they go into a McDonald's restaurant. So, as we have discovered, the real money is not in selling burgers for McDonald's, but it is in the rent they get from 39,000 stores, the franchise fees, and the sales royalties. If you sign into a 20-year agreement with McDonald's and do not sell a single burger, you still have to pay the rent. The McDonald's real estate asset is worth over $39 billion. If we look at McDonald's, it's a pretty solid company. It has a market cap of $186 billion and a reasonable price earnings ratio of 27. If we look at the stock price, it has been steadily going up over the last 20 years. The same can be said for the dividends. The dividend yield has been pretty steady despite a little dip. Revenue is down over the last decade, but this has been due to McDonald's reinvesting in refurbishment as profits are up. If we look at the return on invested capital, that is above 10% apart from COVID in 2020. Looking at gross margin, that is up as well. Before we look at how much it costs to invest in McDonald's franchise, there are two more points we need to look at, which are a big thumbs up for McDonald's. Here's a clip of the two examples of how McDonald's is embracing technology.
We reflect on the last 4 years. Our owner-operators, our development licensees, and the corporation, we've all invested into the necessary technology to make the overall customer experience more relevant, easier, more enjoyable, with the ultimate aim for a much more personalized experience.
Here's everything you need to know about the new McDonald's app. It's all the things you love about McDonald's at your fingertips. Choose from a range of amazing deals on your favorite menu items and select the deal you want to redeem. Whichever way you choose to claim your deal, be sure to tap the redeem button only when you're ready to order.
But when we get onto websites like Amazon or Best Buy or Walmart.com, as you place your cursor over an item and click and it enters your shopping basket, it automatically suggests other items that are associated with that. Well, this technology can work with the intelligent menu boards we have. We went through a very thorough, diligent process before we selected dynamic yield as the opportunity we knew was right for our business. And when you serve 68 million customers every single day, our ability to learn of their behaviors and play that back through this technology is unbeatable.
So there you have it, a company that is doing well and embracing technology. Finally, we end with how much it costs to buy a franchise in McDonald's and how it all works. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one, and don't forget to hit the subscriber button before you go. Thank you. Bye.
Taking time for reminiscing. She's taking time to think things through. So you go down to your favorite place where we're taking time for you. There's a difference at McDonald's. You'll love the difference at McDonald's. It's for